Hi, it's Paul from HEYNER UK. Today we're going to change wiper blades on this Kia Optima. That's 2016 model, that's pre-facelifting model. This car takes wiper blade size 24 on driver side and 18-inch on passenger side, and it has hook type of wiper arm. Before we start to taking off the wiper blade from this car, we need to put the wiper arms to service mode. To do it, you need to open your vehicle, then start the ignition, then ignition off. And when ignition is off, you need to pull the lever down and hold it for a few seconds. Then, as you can see, the wiper blades goes to service mode, so we've got easy access to remove wiper blades. So again, you need to open vehicle, put the ignition on, then ignition off, and then pull the lever down for a few seconds, and that automatically put the wipers in service mode. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the wiper. So in this type of wiper, we need to squeeze the top and lift it up. That gives us access to wiper blade, and it's easy to take off. Please remember to secure wiper arm when wiper blade is off. Okay, on the inside the box of HEYNER HYBRID blades, you will find V1 adapter for hook and the cover. The way to put that on the vehicle, on one side of the wiper you've got HEYNER logo, so that need to be visible from inside of the vehicle. So first we put the V1 adapter on, clip it in, then we've got the cover, we put it on the top, and now we can lift the arm, place the hook, pull it up, and then the easiest way is just twist the wiper 90 degrees and then push the adapter. So as you can see, the adapter went over the wiper arm. So now wiper blade is secure on the arm. Now we can close the cover and take off the protective cover from rubber. Yeah, one is done. Now we're gonna do passenger side. Okay, now we're gonna do exactly the same on the passenger side. So squeeze. You can have different type of wiper blade on your car, but in this it's quite easy to remove. We're gonna place the arm securely on the windscreen, and now we're gonna do exactly the same. First, hook adapter, and then cover. Now we can lift the arm, yeah, put it on, twist it. I will push it up there. As you can see, it went over the hook wiper arm. Now we can close, cover, take off the cover from the blade, and job done. Thank you very much. Now we're gonna test the wiper blades, how they work.